Coding is a sequence of instructions given to a computer to make it do a specific job. There are many different programming languages. Programmers will use one or more languages to tell a computer what they want it to do. Programmers working at Google might use C++, Java, or Python. And some programming languages use blocks to give the instructions to a computer.
Scratch is a programming software that lets you program an animation. Let's have a look at some basic commands. Here are my programming blocks. The computer needs to know that I want it to start running my code. It's like pressing the go button on your microwave. In Scratch, we can use the when green flag is clicked block under the event section to start our code. We can then use different commands to control the character, which is called a sprite. Under the Motion tab, we can make the sprite move forwards, backwards, or turn. In the Sound tab, we can add audio effects to our animation. We can also make the sprite wait if we don't want it to complete a command straight away. This is found under the Control tab. Head over to scratch.mit.edu to explore these commands yourself.